Hey YouTube, it's Berserker here with 7 Days episode 2, and we are going to find out what is behind this black door. What the hell's that? Okay. Just search around for stuff. Ah! What the hell was that? The hell? Oh god. The hell, every door's locked. Seriously? I can't go anywhere. Oh, there we go, it's okay now. Just let me in. What? Seriously? Okay, this is seriously annoying. Oh! I know it. It's not time yet. What? 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 Say what now? Do I have to restart this again? Oh! No. Let's go back to bed. Yeah, yeah, I can't read that. Seriously, everything's always damn stuck. Are you really not sleepy? But how about this flipping house is haunted? Will that make you sleepy? This drawer is locked. I'll check it out. Sam. Spelled out on these pages, maybe he's trying to tell me something. Yes, that this house is haunted. Oh, still no. Termination. Oh, oh. Has a small drawer. Open it. Yes. The greatest illusion is the existence of a unique truth. Damn. Oh, a key. YOLO. There's gotta be a key somewhere. Nope. Oh, maybe there's something in here. Nope. In here? Nope. Uh, this is where we come out at. Uh, hmm. Well guys, going to end this episode here. Don't forget to leave a comment, a like, subscribe. Bye! Hey YouTube, it's Berserker here with Mindventures episode 3, and we are going to go and get some glass, but first we need to go and get some cobblestone to make some, to make a furnace, and then we need to go and get some coal.